Using the Chrome browser, it is possible to access, edit, and create Google presentations without an internet connection. First, you will need to be sure that your drive is set up for offline syncing. When in your Google Drive, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the window. In the menu that opens, select Settings. Be sure that the checkbox in the Offline section is checked. This will sync edits made to docs, sheets, and slides to your computer. When you have made the necessary changes, click Done to save the changes and close the window. When you are without internet access, simply open the Chrome browser and click your Apps launcher in the top left corner. You will notice some apps grayed out while others are brightly colored. The brightly colored apps can be used offline. Click the Google Slides app. Many of your presentations will be available for offline use and editing as they have been synced to your device. The files that are synced are chosen for many reasons, but recency is the largest factor. To choose specific files for offline use, click the More icon at the far right of the presentation listing. From the menu that opens, click on the toggle switch next to Available Offline to turn it on. Your presentation will now be available offline.